Welcome to Techmates. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel Shein order from app. This guide takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. Launch your Shein application and get logged into your account. If you would like to view all your orders, select Me section, and under My Orders, you will see various options. Select View All. At this page, you will see all the orders that you have placed. And here's something that you should know. If your order has been already shipped, there is no way that you can cancel it. But if it's under unpaid or processing, you will see your order here and you will also see remove or simply cancel here. All you have to do is cancel it. And in case you would like to cancel your shipping order or shipped order, you can also tap on this headphone like icon and talk with customer support. It is highly unlikely that you will get to cancel it once it has already been shipped. So guys, this is how you can solve your problem. If it had helped you in any ways, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Techmates. If you want a guaranteed answer to your question and comments, join our Techmates membership today. Member gets priority on responses and comments. The link is right down below.